What's going on, guys? I just wanted to congratulate Anthony and Raquel for finishing the Fitness with Flex 12-week challenge. Amazing results. They both killed it this year. Anthony lost 37 pounds on the scale. Raquel was able to lose 23 pounds on the scale. Now, many of you guys out there are asking us, how was it possible that they did this transformation if they were never physically trained by us in person? The thing is that the coaching program is a GPS to getting fit. We're going to tell you exactly what it is that you have to do to get fit, exactly what to eat, exactly what exercises to do, and whenever changes have to be made, we will take care of that. Your results will also be monitored. So even though Anthony and Raquel were not physically there with us, as you can see, the results speak for themselves. As long as you know exactly what it is that you have to do, you will reach your fitness goal.